Hello, my name is Kim Sauer at CES Las Vegas. I'm joined today by Pascal Metivier from OK-I-DOKEYS. Now, OK-I-DOKEYS, we're talking locks, intelligent locks, smart locks. Tell us about the locks.
So what we invented is actually a smart device. It's made to upgrade your existing door lock, so you don't have to change your door locks. It's allow you to share keys with whoever you want, leverages the power of your cell phone. Open and close, of course, with your cell phone, but it's mostly a key management platform. So if you lose your keys, you cancel it. If you want to share with key with someone, you don't have to meet them and get the key back. If you want to Airbnb your home. So it's basically bringing intelligence to something that is centuries old, which is door lock and keys, thanks to the power of mobile.
Okay, so do you add something to an existing lock into the lock?
Yeah, actually, we add a little robot that comes to attach itself to the cylinder of your door lock and make it smart. So don't change your lock, we just add to your lock.
Okay, so inside this little robot there are obviously lots of socket boards and things that enable that technology, and also obviously the application that goes along with that.
You have electronics, you have mechanics.
What was your manufacturing strategy? Where do you manufacture and how did you go about that?
Okay, the choice we've made is to be fabless and to outsource the manufacturing while controlling everything else. So the software, the hardware, the design of the products, and we subcontract the manufacturing. So we made a choice to manufacture the European product in Europe, and more specifically in Spain, while the US product is manufactured in Mexico to be closer from the market, to be in the NAFTA area, and of course to manage cash flow, because it's better than to be in Mexico going to the US than to be coming from China in 6 weeks on a boat, which costs a lot of cash.
Yeah. So it's really a geographical decision, because China traditionally is one of those markets where a lot of people see the manufacturing cost quite low, although that's going up. But for you, the decision is really to manufacture close to your customers.
Well, we manufacture the electronics in China, but we do the assembly, the final assembly of parts, as close as possible from the market. For also tax reason, duty reason. And also we feel it's important in Europe to have a made in Europe product.
Yeah. Okay. And as you grow the company, as you gain more customers, and CES is probably a great platform for you to find new distributors of your product, new retailers. Where do you see the scalability of the product, and how you will maybe have to change your manufacturing strategy to cope with that?
Well, the benefit of doing the outsourcing for the manufacturing and working with manufacturing partners is to choose people that are able to allow us to scale up very, very fast, because they already have other activities allowing to do that. So we're really, part of the strategy was to be able to scale fast without having too much investment and time. So I think going forward, we build a model to go forward, actually. We're fine with this.
So right from the beginning you were looking obviously in the future and as to your strategy.
The real question is, as volume grow, are we going to regain control on our own manufacturing at a later stage? That will be a later stage decision, but for now we're staying with this.
Yeah. Okay. Now at CES, I touched a little bit onto it, that you're going to be meeting a lot of people that are interested in your product. What are your main goals for CES?
Finding distributor, finding customers, selling more than we sell today, and meeting our existing customers. We have a lot of large retailers that are selling our product in the US here, but also a lot of international ones are coming here. So this is the place in the world to be.
Now, are you a French company?
We are both. We're a French and US company.
Okay, because I've noticed walking around that there are a lot of French companies that are innovating. What is it that makes the French so innovative?
I don't think the French are more innovative than anyone else. I think you have an ecosystem in France that is really growing around this Internet of Things. You have very good engineering, you have a good flow of capital, and you have an expertise which is building around. So I don't think there is any genetical reason for this. It's just an ecosystem. The Silicon Valley was the same example. So there is an expertise which is being built in France for this, and that's the way it is.
That's the way it is. Well done, and continued success for the show, and thank you for your time today.
Thank you.